Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to make a carousel design in Canva. You know, when you're working on a carousel in Canva or Photoshop, or really any platform, you might run into issues with aligning the slides, overlapping images, text not lining up. Yeah, it can be frustrating. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix those overlapping problems and create a beautiful carousel design easily in Canva. Let's get started. First, go to Canva and click on Custom Size. If you're designing for Instagram, LinkedIn, or other social media, carousel dimensions are usually square, 1080 by 1080 pixels for each slide. Now, decide how many slides you want. I'll be making 5 slides, so I'll calculate. 1080 times 5 equals 5400 pixels. Width. Height stays 1080 pixels. So, set the canvas to 5400 by 1080 pixels and click Create New Design. If you want 4 slides instead, just multiply 1080 by 4 instead. Now that our canvas is ready, go to File Greater than View Settings, Greater than Guides. Click on Add Guides. Select 5 columns set, spacing to 0 because we don't want gaps between the slides. Now you'll see 5 evenly spaced sections, each representing 1 slide. Let's add some photo frames. Use rectangle frames between slides 1 and 2, and again between 3 and 4. Add a circle frame between slides 2 and 3. Add another circle frame on the last slide. Get creative with your layout. This is just an example. Upload your photos to Canva and drag them into the frames. Adjust each one as needed. Let's add a stroke or outline to your images. Select your photo frame. Add a white stroke. Adjust the thickness as you like. Bring the photo to the back if needed by right-clicking and choosing Send to Back. Now let's add background shapes to each slide. Draw a rectangle shape sized 1080 by 1080. Use Alt plus Drag to duplicate and cover each slide. Double-check the dimensions by clicking and checking each shape. All should be 1080 by 1080. Add background colors. Choose a gradient or radial gradient. Use blues or any color you like. Adjust shades slightly to add variation across slides. At the bottom of each slide, add your website like this. Make it white for visibility. Use Alt plus Drag to quickly copy it across all slides. To make your design more engaging, add graphic elements. Go to Elements, Graphics. Search for things like wavy lines. Make the color white place and duplicate across the slides. Make sure these elements are behind the text and in front of the background shapes by adjusting their layer position. Now add your text content. Headline in all caps, e.g., digital marketing description text below. Bullet points using checkmark icons, slogan or CTA, call to action, at the bottom or last slide. You can follow this layout or customize it your way. This template is just to show structure. You don't have to follow it exactly. Let your creativity guide you. Once you're happy with your carousel, export it as a JPG. Click Share greater than Download greater than JPG format, then save the file. Now go to Google and search for Instagram Carousel Splitter or visit carouselmaker.co. Click Get Started for free. Upload the JPG file you just downloaded. Enter the number of slides, in this case 5. Click Split and Preview. Download the zip file with your split slides. You now have each slide separately saved and ready to post as a carousel on Instagram, LinkedIn, or wherever you want. Thank you so much for watching. Now go ahead and create your own beautiful carousel designs in Canva.